Clint again, good to be back doing some demos for our subscribers and trialers here at SyncApps. So today what we're going to discuss is one key SyncApps feature. Essentially, it is called the full sync. It's one of our top used integration features on SyncApps. And what it does is it really keeps the sales and the marketing teams in sync, right? Without having to go manually chase down your colleagues for the correct data. So essentially what full sync does is once you've set up an integration in SyncApps is the full sync will automate that basically behavior between, let's say, sales creating a campaign, a list view, or even segmentation in SyncApps and expecting those records to move across to MailChimp, which they do, or Constant Contact, HubSpot, your choice. And then when marketing needs to send an email out, how do they do that to the correct members, right? So you don't want to over communicate to those that have, bought your product and really aren't buying anymore, or you want to communicate more with those that are buying specific products and you really want to enhance that customer journey with those customers that you have. Or if you're in the subscription business, you want trialers to come in, look at your product, and then follow up with emails that are tailored for them and the products that they enjoy on your platform. So what the full sync does is from Salesforce, you sync those records across, and then let's just take the example of MailChimp. In MailChimp, you send them an email, right? The metrics, we sync back those to Salesforce, but what happens when they're removed from a list view or a campaign or a segment in Salesforce? Well, in order to remove those, you enable the full sync on our platform, and that will remove that record from the MailChimp group or tag, your choice of how you use marketing in MailChimp. And then that way, when marketing goes to send out emails, every day, every week, every month, they're sending it to the right people, right? So this is one of the key features. The full sync, you can schedule it to run daily, weekly, monthly, or even manually in your integration. And this will really true up your Salesforce and your marketing system, whether it be Constant Contact, MailChimp, HubSpot, and so on. So we're going to go over a few examples here. And for example, one of the top integrators and also Salesforce partners called Nexel in Switzerland, in Europe, uses this to onboard their subscribers. And so what they're doing is when they use full sync, they're really looking to have fields that sync over to MailChimp, right? When those people fall out of that segment that are going into MailChimp, they want them removed from MailChimp, and then they'll move into a different automation series in MailChimp. So field A goes to field A. When that no longer matches, they'll move to field B, and so on. So Nexels, they onboard dozens of clients to SyncApps, and I think this is one of the features that you would enjoy to keep your marketing and sales in sync. So try it out. We'll be going over the field mapping in our next video, and we'll kind of explain a little bit about how that works. Until next time, click on the link in the video if you want to have more information on this. All right, thanks.